Question number first of exercise 4.1, fourth part. Third part you will do yourself. Fourth part you can see a rhombus, best, BEST. B line is given as 4.5 centimeter, ET is given as 6 centimeter. Only two line segment are given us. But we know, first we will make its rough sketch. We know rhombus is all sides are rhombus are equal. In a rhombus all sides are equal, so we will make this type of rough sketch of the rhombus. Only one thing we know कि जो rhombus है BEST, all sides are equal, only one side is given us 4.5 centimeter. B given us, we know if B 4.5, that time ES is also 4.5 centimeter, ST is also 4.5 centimeter, TB is also 4.5 centimeter. After it ET, this is a 6 centimeter. First you can see here, now we will make its a required rhombus. In required rhombus, first we draw line segment 4.5 centimeter BE. This is a BE. This is a 4.5 centimeter. From B and from E, you can see here, from B and from C, E, both line segments are intersect at a point, that is a T point. First we will find out it's a T point. Now you will see here, now we open our compass. First we will take this part, line segment BT. So we open our compass 4.5 centimeter. This is the length 4.5. From B we are taking one arc. This is a 4.5 centimeter. Now we open our compass 6 centimeter. Take another arc from the E. From E we are taking another arc. Both are intersect at a point, that is a T point. Now T join to B, T join to E. This line segment is a 4.5 centimeter. This is a 6 centimeter. From T we will open a compass, take radius 4.5 centimeter and take arc, and one arc we are taking from E 4.5 centimeter. Both arcs intersect at this point. This is S point. So again we open our compass 4.5 centimeter. We know length of the B is 4.5. उतना ही arc अपने यहाँ से सीधा डायरेक्ट भी ओपन कर सकते हैं. Now take one arc is here. This is 4.5 from E, and from T is also 4.5. Both are intersect at this point. This is S point. Now joint S to E and T to S. This is 4.5 centimeter. It is also 4.5 centimeter. So this type we will construct a rhombus BEST. इसकी जो construction step of construction, now you will see here. First is there, draw a line segment PE 4.5 centimeter. Second step is there, with the center at E and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc with center at B. अब B से भी उतना ही आर्क लेंगे 4.5 सेंटीमीटर का, and draw another arc to intersect the previous arc at T. दोनों कहाँ intersect हो रहे हैं? At T. All the four sides are equal in rhombus, so join TB and TE. पहले इनको join कर लेंगे. फिर with the center at T, radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc on the side opposite to that to B. फिर with the center E and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw another arc to intersect the previous arc at S. Join ST, SC. So this type we will find out. We will construct a rhombus best in the this is the required rhombus. So this type you understood कि rhombus की also only two lines line segment of BE and ET is given us. तो B is, we know all side BE, because best में BE, ES, ST, TB, four sides, all sides are equal in rhombus. So ये 4.5 है तो बाकी की सभी 4.5 होगी, and one diagonal 6 centimeter. And this type we will draw a required rhombus.